Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliottwave-forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry Lau and today is Thursday, February 21st, 2019. The time is 3:30 a.m. GMT. So today we're gonna take a look at the DAX, the German index here. This is a 45 minutes chart. It's a short-term chart, similar to the 60 minutes. Sometimes we show 30 minutes or 45 minutes for presentation purpose because that will look better. So over here, what we see here is you got this bullish sequence stem and then also right side up with the green color. And for our members, what this is telling is that this is a higher probability type of setup in which we do like more upside, okay, since it has a bullish sequence stem as well as the right side higher. Now we can see in the rally that starts from 10,867 low. This rally we are calling it as a impulse, right? As an impulse, we got one with two as a flat, expanded flat with three, with four, and then now an ending diagonal to finish with 5, right? So we should be able to finish this cycle perhaps with one more leg to the upside. Then we should be ending the 5 with up and ending with A, and then from there we should get a pullback in the with B in the sequence of 3, 7, 11 swing. So we are showing an ABC pullback here as a 3 swings or 3 waves, and then as far as the pullback stays above 10,867 low, the invalidation level, we expect the index to extend on the upside, right? If we look at the larger time frame, this is the 4-hour chart. We don't have the full labels. Again, for full labels in different time frames, you can take a look at inside the member area, and we do have a 14 days free trial for you if you are a new client, so you can take advantage of that. You can see right here, if you look at it from December 28, 2018 low, you got what looks like a 3 swings, right? You got 1, 2, and then 3, and we just recently broke above this. So this leg at this moment is still shorter than this leg, right? So that usually suggests that we can see for the upside at least in some sort of an ABC zigzag, right? At least if not a 1, 2, 3, so at least an ABC or a WXY, right? And that's why the most sort of likable path for the index is to continue to extend higher as far as the dips stay above this low over here now, right? So that's what we are showing in the shorter cycle in the 45 minutes chart earlier. Now, what will be the alternate? Well, the alternate is going to be two things. Well, number one is that this leg truncates, so we do not get an extension higher to reach at least the same length as this. That's what we call truncation in EWF. Well, another possibility is that we are doing a flat, but we already got a flat here, so it is rare that we have two flats at the same time. So we already have one flat, so it will be pretty rare if we got another flat. So for example, now maybe flat from here, A, B, C, and then if that's the case, it's gonna sell off in 5 waves down, right? So those are the two alternates, but in terms of ranking the probability, which one is more likely than the others, now of course, since we got a break above this previous peak, we are calling for further upside in the index. All right, so that's why you see we got a bullish sequence stem, we got a right side up, so as far as this pullback stays above 10867 in 3711 swing, we favor more upside in the index. Now, at what level can we expect the P to finish? Well, at this point it's too early to speculate, right? Because number one, we have not even finished this high yet, so we do not know. This can continue to extend higher. You never know. It can keep extending higher because it's an impulse, right? So don't expect that it has to drop from here. The more important thing is to understand what's the right side, right? What's the right side is the more important than the swing by swing in the shorter cycle. So here, if we assume that this is really going to be an A, like so, if we assume the A is really going to end here in the blue box and start to pull back, then you can expect, generally speaking, in the ideal setting, this B ideally should be around 50%, right? 50% retracement, but it doesn't have to be exactly 50%. As long as you got a 3 swings pullback or 3 pullback, generally speaking, that can qualify as a B. So for example, it can be just pulling back in 3 waves and then ending the pullback at this previous low and then starts to rally again. That also is possible, right? So sometimes when you see a 5 waves, sometimes the 3 waves pullback also can just go to the previous wave 4 of the lesser degree, and then after that resumes again. So that's what we are seeing here in the DAX, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.